is the In My Living Room sessions, and we are
Hello.
here with the third episode, Khoj, and we have the songwriter Rigzen with us, Rigzen Lama, and we've done a couple of songs before this, and this is my take on his song Khoj, which is one of my favorite from his entire discography. And welcome, Rigzen.
Thank you.
So let's quickly dive into what is the song about and what kind of mental state were you in when you wrote this song?
So this song is from a time where I was in a mentally and emotionally tough spot. I was transitioning from a phase where I was in a relationship with someone, and then I was no longer in a relationship with her, and I was trying to look for that person in other people. It was hard for me to move on.
Mm-hmm.
So I think that's how the song came to be.
Okay, great. So I think you got the song produced in Delhi, right?
Right.
You did it in Plug and Play Studio with
Right.
Aninder Bose.
Shout out
to
to
him. Amazing. I love his work. I'm a fan of his work. And the guitars were also done by Satvik.
Satvik, drums by Anujit.
Another amazing guitarist that I'd like to work with someday. And what I'd like to know is there anything in particular that you liked, from apart from how the song was? Obviously, it's a great song. But on this take, this version, is there any particular part or any particular thing that you liked?
I really liked the part where he decided to go for a Fidel. Right?
Instead of
like in the original we've used the lead guitar, electric guitars. So instead of that, we wanted a different sort of a soundscape for this particular
But unfortunately, we could not get a Fidel player
Right.
around, so I had to mediate.
So I really liked his take on this song. It's more intimate, it's more raw. So that's
Right.
about it.
Any favorite lines from what you've written?
I think it's in the second verse. ना छोड़ो इस भीड़ में अकेला आ जाओ ये रास्ता है अंधेरा तेरे बिना मैं अधूरा. I like that one.
Great. So we'll have our friends join us now shortly.
Right.
We'll have Saroj, we'll have Vivek, and we'll have Deechen as well, and both of us, and we'll perform the song, right?
Right.
So then we'll see you there, right?
सांसों में वो याद भी सुहानी, धड़कन में एक याद वो पुरानी, कहाँ है तू? मैं तो हूँ एक अनसुनी कहानी, सुन ले तू मेरे दर्द की जुबानी, कहाँ है तू? कहाँ है तू? तेरी खोज में, तेरी खोज में अधूरी है कहानी मेरी, दिल की बातें हैं न कहीं, अधूरे हैं वो सपने सभी जिसमें तू ना हो कहीं, हो कहीं. ना छोड़ो इस भीड़ में अकेला आ जाओ ये रास्ता